Quick one, let me quickly introduce it to you. App based. This time we are going to be using your phone for maths, different ways to solve a lot of math questions. So with the use of your phone, there's an AI tool on this phone, or let me use the word on App Store and Play Store that you can download to solve a lot of math questions. Maybe I'm going to drop more of them. I'm just going to explore one with us. Then from there we can also explore on our own. The app is called Photo Math. Just go on Play Store, type the word Photo Math. So this is the app. The moment to download this app, the next thing is going to be asking you is to what? Is to snap. So it's going to be waiting for you to snap that question. Let me look for any question. Okay, this is okay. So based on what I'm asking right now, calculation, the answer is C. 446. Yes, the answer is actually correct. 100%. 100% the answer is actually correct. So you need to give it a try. I love this. This is 100%, and it's just going to ask you to what? To snap or you upload. So if you have a lot of questions, let me look for questions. Maybe let me look for some hard ones. Let me download, save as. Okay, so I have questions over here. Okay, I think I've seen one that will be interesting. Then the answer is popping up immediately. Show the step. I love this. So you need to give it a try. Very simple. I've opened the door. Right now it is left to you to give it a try. Anyhow you want to use this tool. This tool is going to be useful for you, whether as a teacher or whether as anybody that is curious to know more about math and all the steps they use in solving a lot of math questions. This is how to go about it. So give it a try, and I'll be right back with more video on how to use AI tool as mathematics. Bye.